What's going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. So today I literally was not going to record anything. The Z looks pretty sick, honestly, just all blacked out. But anyways, today I was not going to record anything. I was actually like at work and I wasn't going to get home till like maybe 8:30, which by that time like I'm just tired and I was going to crash out. But with like everything going around in the country, there was like a leaked message saying that there was gonna be like some kind of riot where I actually work at. So my bosses are like, nah. So he closed down everything, he sent us home, which is kind of dope because I'm home and they're paying me for the day. So I was like, you know what, I have some free time, let's get the camera, let's pick up something and let's do some. And then really quick before we actually get started with today's busy day, honestly, I want to give a big shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. I noticed like when I took my break, I was like at 480 subscribers, which you guys might think like 480, like that's not a lot, but to me that's a lot. Like 480 people are subscribed to this channel, right? That's where I left off. And then like literally when I went on the YouTube application, which is like the YouTube creator stuff, I noticed that I went from 480 all the way to 510, which is crazy. Like I just jumped subscribers and I didn't even post. Like I honestly, like to me that's just crazy. So if you guys are new to this channel, there's a lot of content coming. Okay guys, enough of me talking. So I'm probably gonna edit this, so to you guys it's probably gonna be like a minute, but I honestly was talking for a while. But yeah, huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like I said, if we reach 1,000 in 3 months, I'm gonna do like a giveaway for you guys. I'm not too sure what I want to do, like a giveaway. I'll think about it, but for sure it's gonna be something nice for you guys. Thank you guys for like so much for like the support. Like it's just been amazing like lately. One of the things I am gonna be giving away probably a lot sooner, probably when we reach maybe like 600 subs, is a 3.5 tmap sensor. So what happened is when I added the 3.5 tmap sensor to mine, I ended up ordering two. One off Burger Motorsports, which was more expensive. It was like I think like 90 bucks, which was, I kind of had to pay it. Because the original one that I ordered was off of Amazon, same part numbers, same, like everything was exactly the same, but this one was supposed to be shipped out and delivered by the end of this month, June. So the estimated delivery date was June 31st, which was like, to me, like yeah, I saved a lot of money, but it was like, it was just too much waiting. So that's why I'm gonna have an extra 3.5 tmap sensor. So a lot of you guys that are boosted and running the N54 or N55 platform, I'm not too sure about B58. I'm not too sure. I have to do a little bit more research to see if this tmap sensor works. But for sure, N54 and N55, they work. If you guys want this tmap sensor, you honestly just have to do 4 simple things. I know 4, but it's honestly like super simple. Honestly, you guys just have to be subscribed, which most of you guys are that actually watch the videos. So subscribe. Number 2 is leave a like in this video. Number 3 is comment on this video. Like, can literally be any kind of comment you guys want, like a question. You can even just put like a flame emoji or literally anything. And number 4 is to actually follow me on Instagram and DM me once you guys are done. That's how I'll know that you guys actually want to be part of this like contest. Once we reach 600, I'll put you guys like on an app and it'll just like pick like a random user, and whoever I pick, I'll like find you and I'll DM you. Just to make sure you did all the 4 things and still, like, you know, still subscribe, still follow me and all that stuff, and I'll just ship it out to you guys. Super simple, super easy. And this is like a little, just it's a small little thing, but honestly, if you guys have the N54 N55 platform, this is something that eventually, if you guys are running more boost, this is just something you guys are eventually gonna need, and might as well get it for free, right guys? So that's just like something really quick, something easy that we can do as a giveaway. N52 boys, I know there's a bunch of you guys, especially because I started off with the E90 and there's still a bunch of E90 content coming, so don't even trip guys. But I'll do like a separate giveaway. I'm still trying to see like what I want to do. I'm probably gonna do like something around like the 1,000 subs for you guys. It just depends. So stay tuned. It's obviously morning time. Actually more of the afternoon. Kind of slept in a little bit. But the bumper is pretty decent. Like if the overlays actually would have stayed, because this is actually the second time I did this overlay and then this top keeps peeling. The bumper is like a plastic material, or because they're aftermarket bumpers, right? Like Nismo bumpers. They have not been painted with primer, so I believe that's the issue, because no matter like where I look, Oh, this is a perfect example. So the bubbles aren't really going anywhere. So I believe the real issue that we have with especially the front and the rear bumper, because everything else is staying, but there's nothing else is peeling, as you guys can see, especially like on these turns and stuff like that. On these guys, like nothing is peeling on the actual like OEM like fenders and all that stuff, original pieces with paint on them, because they're actually like holding on and grabbing on, versus over here this is just plastic. So I believe it's not really like holding on like correctly or as much as we wanted to. So our axle's still not here. Actually last night, maybe around 8, 9, I started seeing like a bunch of like Instagram posts from, Snapchat posts from my cousin and my brother that were out in Monterey that took the E90, and the car completely died out. He said he was driving and then out of nowhere it just started giving him like a bunch of different lights and stuff like that and warnings, and the car started going into kind of like a lit mode kind of thing. Like it just started feeling like it was misfiring, and it just completely shut off. So he got stuck in the side of the road. He ended up, I think he just unplugged the battery. I'm not too sure because I wasn't really there, but he managed to get the car to start up again, and he drove into like a little like place where he can just park instead of the side of the road, which is pretty good. And I still don't know the issue. If I do find the issue, I'll probably put it in a separate video, but I'll put like clips, or I probably already did put clips, so you guys already saw like the car being towed and stuff like that. He broke down in the morning actually, and I didn't even know, but he was like calling in and trying to find like different tow trucks to tow the car. But the E90 is lowered on some racing H&R lowering springs. I think they're the racing one, not the sport. Whichever one's the lowest ones, I completely forgot. But it's sitting pretty low. But all the tow trucks that were showing up, they were telling them that they couldn't tow it because it was too low, even with the bumper off. But they finally found some cool guy to tow it. I think he only charged him like $140, I think, which is like a dumb waste of money. But yeah, so Axel's still trying to figure out exactly what's wrong with the E90. I'll keep you guys updated, because that's like super random, because the E90 really hasn't given me any issues like at all. It's been like a really good car. And of course, little things like gaskets and stuff like that, of course, go out over time, but it has never really given me like this big of an issue where it just left me stranded somewhere. So I'll give you guys updated, but right now let's continue this video.
It's a 68, bro.
68, damn. So Axel, where he's at right now, it's 68 and we're like at 103. Ooh, the car is not liking this tune. I think there's still a little bit of 85, so the car's like what I do. And there we go. I think it's finally realizing it's just on 91 and it's like starting to calm down. That was hella funny. I mean, I don't have any codes or anything like that.
Damn, it's hot.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna bring down the windows a little bit right now for you guys can hear the engine. 18 pounds of boost?
Yeah.
Damn, that wasn't even full throttle, guys. Like, that was probably like... had a downshift for that fool. I mean, let's see if I can do like a little second gear pull. No. A little bit of brake boost. I mean, like, it's definitely like a pretty quick car, especially like with this setup, but nothing compared to the other two. Like, I mean, it got up there like decently quick. It just didn't feel like that aggressive. How did it feel for you? Did it feel like it did it launch you a little bit on the seat?
Yeah, a little bit, but it's not as like the other two. The other two was like, holy crap.
Yeah, like
it pushes you and you feel it like in your stomach.
But the crazy thing is, literally, like, if you would have told me like maybe like 2 weeks ago, like this was like fast, like, honestly.
Yeah.
No, like, honestly, like even with this tune, like I would put like a good amount of bus lengths on some people. Like, did you guys see the last video when there was a 3-valve and an RT that were trying to race I have no idea what tunes they have, but from what I heard, that they weren't completely stock. I'm not really sure if that's true or not. They probably have some modifications done, but they wanted to race, and yeah, no chance at all. Like, I just completely took off on them. But all friend and lunch. I never try to like run anybody for money or anything like that. Like, honestly, like, I'm just trying to have fun in this car community. Like, no bad vibes here. And then this Mustang's trying to play or what?
I think he would.
Come here, little Mustang. Oh, he's slowing down. Oh, is he trying to play or what? No, he's not trying to play. You think he saw the GoPro or what?
Probably. He's fighting like, oh, hell no.
And then just click start log. I think he said third gear 2,500, so click start. Oh, yeah, you did? All right, perfect. So, and then go. I don't know how good that is for the engine, especially when it's so hot, but it feels so good. All right. That's about it for today. I really don't have anything else planned. I finished my data loggings. I'm gonna send all 3 of them out. So I should, next time you guys see me, next time I record a video, I should have revision 2 for Wedge, both of them, 91 and E50, and I should have the revision 3 for Jordans, which is gonna be pretty sick. Next time maybe I'll do like another like flames, just like maybe like a little segment somewhere in there. I'll throw it in one of the other videos, just because with this new fueling, I'm hoping maybe I can shoot more flames. I'll hit up Jordan and see what we can do, because obviously since more fuel equals more flames, and since I'm getting obviously a lot more fuel now, especially with the new high pressure fuel pump, hopefully we can get a little bit bigger flames. So I'm gonna hit them up, see what we can do about getting a little bit bigger. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this POV little segment. There's definitely a lot more stuff to come to the video. So I'll just catch you guys on the next one, and peace out.